on our USD card. By the way, we can see our analysis, but first of all I want to take something here. We can see that our light here we should take here as our resistance, and we would also be taking here as a support. We can see that our price actually range here, that is on our 4 hour time frame. We will be looking at it. We can see that our price actually range here, right? Now we can see our price actually pushes up here. So we can see that, give it like it has at like a legitimate key level area here. Our price actually ranges here. We can see it as a support and resistance. Now our price pushes up, it's our resistance level, came back to this our support. Now we can see our price again has pushed up to this our resistance, and it has come down to this our key area here, which is our support area. So what do you think? I personally will be looking to take this trade. I personally will be looking to take a buy um on my USD card. That is on a 4 hour time frame. Now let's sit on our USD index. By the way, we can see it now. Our USD index on the 4 hour time frame actually a bullish move, an uptrend move. We can see our new higher highs. This our new higher highs broke above our previous higher highs. That is a legitimate key area, which is actually a bullish move, right? It's broke above our previous higher highs, and now our USD card actually our DX USD index, which is DXY, fell, right? We are now aiming for a bullish move again to at least break our previous higher highs. But before that, let's see if we can tap it to our previous higher highs, giving us like a double top. If possibly it will happen. So by the way, if you are to see our price came down, it's rejected, it pushes up, it came down here. We can see that rejection here. Our price is actually failing to go down. So we are actually aiming for a bullish move on our USD index, right? So that is why I said we will be seeing that bullish move. Once we start having that bullish move on our USD index, then you will see that bullish move on our USD card. So expect that, watch out for it. A bullish move soon to happen on our USD card to tap this our previous higher high, this our higher highs there, to tap our previous higher highs, and let's see from there where our price will be moving next. So that is my analysis for the